Yay!
Oh,
It's so hot. So I have
yeah.
this fan. My
I
fan.
almost had a fun too. Wait.
이나야 뭐 하냐고. 아 진짜 빨리 안 들어가? 뭐 하는 거야 지금? laptop 월. 좋아 일로 오세요. 40분 했을까?
I had my water.
Well, very cute. Your water bottle's very cute.
Hmm.
How's your day?
Good. And yours was fun too. I put it in my room, but it disappeared.
You search for it later. Oh,
Okay.
so you came from taekwondo class?
Yeah.
Okay. I had my water bottle too.
And I think whatever too.
And of course, speaking of snacks, this bread has coconut in it. Wait a minute. I'm going to show you. But the coconut has been caramelized. See? So these
Oh,
are these are coconuts inside, okay?
what is yellow one?
That's the coconut.
Hmm.
They put some sugar, then I don't know how they did this one. Probably they caramelize the sugar and the coconut, then put it inside the bread. So yummy. Very tasty. So that's my snack. And of course, no banana, but coffee.
Oh, you showed me yesterday.
Coffee again. Okay. What about you? What do you have?
I had I had some wait. I had my wire for it and my my toys.
You didn't eat anything. That's you didn't eat anything?
Yes. And we're gonna talk about this. I tell you.
Ah, yes. Oh, I forgot. We're supposed to talk about book number 2, right? I
Hmm.
forgot. Is that book
And
number 2?
it's free. We need to read free first.
Ah, okay. So how's Jack and Olivia in that book?
At
What?
first, the Olivia is gone.
There's no Olivia.
Yeah, so
Where where did
no,
she go? Oh, Olivia is gone. Where did Olivia go?
I don't know. We can look at the book. Oh,
She disappeared? How come? She didn't go to school. Maybe she's sick.
yeah. But his dad say nothing.
Ah. Oh, probably she's hiding. What do you think? Or she's very sick?
Yeah, no. Look at the book.
Oh, at
That
the
can
end. At the end, what
and
happened? Yes, at the end, what happened? Were they able to find Olivia?
no.
Oh my. How
And
come?
Olivia go inside the magic hole.
The magic what?
Hole. And
Aha.
and Bella and Ace and Jack go inside to rescue Olivia. And here's the Olivia's hometown.
Mm-hmm.
And where is Bella the not the
So, oh, Bella is also gone?
yeah.
How
Bella
come?
playing with
Oh,
the people here and the shadow man appeared and Jack and Ace run away and the shadow man don't took the track but Ace and Ace is Ace is talking now.
how come they are disappearing?
The shadow man, the Bella was playing with the dolls, and Shadow Man took Bella.
Is the Shadow Man very, very powerful?
Yeah, and Bella is scared that Jack and Ace gonna save Bella.
Oh my. Is Bella gone also?
Yeah,
Or did
and
they
the red wearing is the rest story.
Jack and the Red Lion? So were
He,
they able to rescue Olivia?
no, it's rescuing Olivia is the four book I show you. The four book.
Mm-hmm.
Second four, but this is the second three.
What
Six,
happened?
Red Jack and the toy car gonna help them, and Ace meet the Red Lion.
Mm.
Red
Oh,
Lion, is doing a question. Look,
oh, the Red Lion looks very
you,
scary, very
you,
dangerous.
how you can a red head in the yellow sea? Who does become?
Oh, do you think that the Red Lion is so dangerous?
Yeah, he wanna eat them, and he made a question for the car.
Mm-hmm.
To a red hat in the yellow sea, what does become? And the toy car is smart and said, I
The
know.
hat,
The hat becomes wet.
the hat becomes wet.
Yeah, and Ryan said, oh, you are
Smart.
smart. I cannot eat you. And not next time is the dog Ace's turn. But Ace said, you are gonna go up, but never came down.
Mm-hmm. So Ace is the dog?
Yeah, dog
Mm-hmm.
Ace. And Ryan look at the Jack now. And and he had a question too. How can you fight the shadow? And Jack said, you can fight the shadow, nothing hurts them. And they said, I will cook you over fire. And Jack said, I know. I can fight the shadow with white. Yes, you can. And Jack was so Jack is now really great now.
Ah.
And he goes to the dark cave with the flashlight because the shadow disappeared and white. And like that.
Okay. I am happy that you are reading English books.
Yeah. And Jack was finding Olivia, but Bella said Olivia is not here. And Toy Pepper said, you are a hero. But next one is 4. It's getting smaller. 6, 5, 4, 5. 4, 3. This is the 3. Then tomorrow we're gonna be to 2.
Okay. Okay. Have you read everything?
Yeah.
Wow. So how many books do you think the Magic Adventures have? How many only 6 books or how many books? 20 books?
No, that's 6 books.
Just 6 books. So have you read all the 6 books?
Yeah.
Okay. So did they survive the lion?
Lion that helped them because Jack was smart and he cannot eat the Jack, and he went the you can go to the cave, and Jack go to the cave with the toy car and Ace.
Mm. Wow. Okay. Please continue reading. Okay. Please continue reading your English books. It's a good practice for you. Okay. Very good. Okay. Going back to the book now, we are going to complete the sentences with, you know, uh, like or don't like or doesn't like plus the ing form of the verb, like surfing. So you add ing. Okay, you adding to the verbs here. Okay, flying, climbing, playing, reading, skateboarding. Okay, so for this one example, there is the word not, meaning to say negative. Okay, so my dad doesn't like, so like plus ing, surfing the
So
internet. So you cannot
the
use use surf anymore, okay? Or let us try Jane and Jenny.
Jay and Jenny, what's this?
Likes.
Likes.
Oh, there's 2 of them.
Then likes.
L- like only, like.
Ah, I
Jane and Jenny
Jenny
like
like
like what?
like comment.
Oh, what's your verb? What's your verb?
What is a word?
Verb, action word. What are they going to do with comics?
It can. What is comment?
Comic books, comics, just like what you have, comics.
Ah,
So,
like comic book.
okay. Oh, so what are they going to do with the comic books? Are they going to
Like
fly, climb, playing, reading, or skateboarding?
like to read comments.
Oh, I'm going to correct, okay? Like reading. Be-
Reading.
Because we're going to use like plus ing. So like reading comics.
Hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
Let's go to the next one.
Who is Garrett?
So Gary, like or
Garrett
likes?
likes trees. Likes. We had the white and
Like, wait a minute. What about your ing form of the verbs?
hmm.
Flying, climbing, playing, skateboarding.
Climbing.
Okay, ing form, climbing, climbing.
Climbing.
Okay, Gary likes climbing trees. Okay, number 4.
4.
Oh, this is a question.
Kitties or kids?
Do or does?
Does
Mm-hmm. What is your little brother doing?
is something to talking to me. Rina, it's in the bunk bed. I could hear the bunk bed, and Rina is in the bunk bed. Well,
Okay, bunk bed. Okay, bunk bed. So what do you want to use? Do or does? Does
do
you? Okay, do you?
do you, do you like
Okay, like what?
likes
No, no, no.
kids
Only like. Do you like? What are you going to do with kites?
guys
What are you going to do with the kites?
guys
Choose your verb. Flying, playing, skateboarding.
flying.
Okay, so do you like flying kites?
Yes, but not really. But I don't like kites.
Okay, so we're going to use do you like flying kites? Okay, 5. Let's go to 5.
You
A negative of do.
you play cheese.
What is first? What are you
You,
going to use? You
you do play with
you
cheese.
you don't like
Don't like cheese.
playing
Playing
chess.
chess.
Oh, cheese is different from chess, okay? Chess. Okay. Oh, next, the last one. Oh, question mark. Do or does?
Do
Okay, do you and Beth
you best friend best
like
like
what's the ing form?
borrowing
Oh, skateboarding.
skateboarding.
Skateboard. Okay, skateboarding.
Skateboarding.
Oh, any questions?
Yes, I have question. Um,
Mm-hmm.
what what do you what gonna eat for your dinner?
Fish,
Fish
rice,
and What do you do in a weekend?
Oh, probably clean my room. What about you? What are you going to eat tonight? What is mommy cooking?
I don't know, Mommy don't tell me yet.
What do you wish for her to cook?
I wanna eat. I'll draw you here. Oh, egg here. And the rice bowl. And the rice bowl. And whites. Rice here. And the brown thing as a sauce like that, put
Mm-hmm.
it in and mix and eat the yum 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 yum.
Where are you now? So only egg?
Yeah, egg and rice and something brown sauce.
Oh,
Hmm.
okay. So this time, are you ready? We're going back.
Yeah.
Okay, wait a minute. Aha. Uh, okay, so complete the sentences using your, our, their. Okay, example. Aha. Can we ride blanks?
Can I ride?
Can we?
Can we ride bikes?
So what is it going to be? Your, our, their. So what is
Can
your answer?
we ride or
Oh,
bike?
our bikes. Okay, very good. Can we ride our bikes? Very good. Next.
Can I use your computer?
Okay, next.
Can we come in
Can we
our
come in?
house, please?
Is it in our? It's not your. And can we come in our house, please? Or is it your
Your,
house?
your house, please?
Okay, next.
Can we go to thing?
What is that? Oh, can we go? Can we go to their house, please? Okay. Okay, very good. Oh, any questions so far?
I had a question. What book do you like to read?
I like to read love stories, science fictions, sometimes documentary books. True,
Documentary? What is that?
like uh, it's telling us about something true, like the history of something like that, or um, about a person's life, biography.
What is a geography?
It's telling us the life of somebody.
Mm.
Okay. So any questions?
One more question. What do
On a
you
trip.
have to go to a trip?
What again? What was your question?
Where do you wanna go? Oh, go that you are a holiday.
On a holiday, I think I'm going to the mountains. Like, let us see if I can. Aha, wait a minute. I'm going to. I would like to go here. Wait a minute. Ah, okay. So this is a mountain resort. Mountain with a swimming pool.
Oh, it's a hotel.
Oh,
Where is it?
hmm. See, there's a hotel. Oh, don't move, don't move.
Tawi.
There's a big pool, then there are small pools. There's a zip line. So, or, uh, so there's
Alright.
okay. There's also something like this. There's a hanging bridge. Have you been to a hanging bridge? Yeah, like
Oh,
this one. We're going to cross the hanging bridge, like this one.
oh. We fall down the hanging bridge. What they're gonna do?
Oh, this is not very high. This is not very high. Okay, so you can go on it's a mountain resort, or you can also go to okay this one is another one. Okay, they have animals. They have a mini zoo. They have a hotel. Hmm. See, so they have a hotel. They have a very big swimming pool, and they have so many animals.
Where? Oh, a dolphin.
There's a dolphin. So there are fishes here in this pond. Okay, there are fishes, so you can fish.
And where's the other animals?
Oh, I think they don't have a picture here, but they have an ostrich. They have what we call um snake, something like that. So,
What? This is the hanging bit. Hang.
mm,
And
mhm.
fall down, then we can just swim.
Okay. So,
And what do you wanna eat in this mountain?
um, well, there are so many fruits, watermelon,
What
so
do you
many.
wanna eat the most food in this mountain?
Mm-hmm. So there are so many chickens, pork, something like that.
Mm.
Okay. Oh, any
And what
questions?
then this mountain you go? What friend do you what people do you want to
To
go
take
to?
with my family and some friends. My family
Mm,
and some friends. Okay. Bye
yeah.
bye. Bye
What is
bye.
done?
Yes. So see you tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.